Hi, I am Lopa Mudrashen. Welcome back to my channel Electronic Science Tutorial. I will start a new lecture series on NTA UGC NET and West Bengal SET exam for Electronic Science subject. Those who are not follow my channel, please follow my channel. If you like my channel, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. So let's start our class. Today I will discuss about one most important topic of UGC NET and West Bengal SET exam, that is tunnel devices. Okay, so tunnel devices based on quantum mechanical tunneling. We know in electronic science there are two parts, classical mechanics and quantum mechanics. So these tunnel devices based on quantum mechanical tunneling process. And in this class, we also learn about what is the working principle and how the tunnel devices work as a diode. Okay, so let's start our class. Today's most important topic is tunnel devices, and these devices based on quantum mechanical tunneling. So, what is the quantum mechanical tunneling process? We know in electronic science we consider two mechanical systems. One is classical mechanical system and the another one is quantum mechanical system. In the classical mechanical system or in the classical sense, carriers having energy smaller than some potential barrier height are confined or stopped by the barrier completely. Okay, but in quantum mechanics, the wave nature of carriers are considered and the wave does not terminate abruptly at the boundary of the barrier. So, there are some conceptual difference. That is, in classical sense, we consider that the carriers having energy smaller than some potential barrier height are confined or stopped by the barrier completely. But in quantum mechanics, the wave nature of carriers are considered and the wave does not terminate abruptly at the boundary of the barrier. So, what is the result? As a result, not only can the carriers have finite probability of existence inside the barrier, also they can leak through the barrier if the barrier width is thin enough. So, in quantum mechanical tunneling, one current leak through the barrier if the barrier width is thin enough. This is the basic concept of tunneling probability and the tunneling current. Okay, so this is the quantum mechanical tunneling process. Based on this tunneling process and the quantum mechanical devices, we have some interesting important properties, that is tunneling properties. The first property is the tunneling phenomenon have some majority carrier effect, and the tunneling time of carriers through the potential energy barrier is not governed by the conventional transit time concept, but rather by the quantum transition probability per unit time, which is proportional to the average value of momentum encountered in the tunneling path to an incident carrier with zero transverse momentum and the energy equal to the Fermi energy. The second property is the tunneling probability depends on the available states of both the originating side and the receiving side. And the tunneling current is not monotonically dependent on the bias. So these are the two properties of quantum mechanical devices, or these two are called quantum tunneling properties. So based on these two properties, in next class we can discuss the tunnel diode. Okay. So these all are the properties of quantum mechanical devices, and the tunnel diode based on these quantum mechanical devices and these quantum tunneling properties. Okay. So here we end today's session. Thank you. If you like my video then please like, share and subscribe my channel. फिर मिलते हैं एक नई वीडियो के साथ. Thank you.